Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for May 24th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. AI resurrects dead pilots' voices, Amazon's Bee watches you, and ARM stock explodes. Top stories this week. Amazon's Bee wearable is both intriguing and creepy. Amazon launched its Always Listening Bee wearable that offers hands-free AI assistance but raises serious privacy concerns. The device is always on, always listening, and always connected, making it a constant companion and a potential surveillance tool. This week's early reviews highlight the tension between convenience and privacy anxiety. AI resurrects voices of dead pilots from cockpit recordings. Using AI on spectrogram images, enthusiasts reconstructed the voices of pilots from crash recordings, forcing the NTSB to temporarily block access to its docket system. This raises profound ethical questions about post-mortem digital consent and the limits of AI-driven forensics. Google goes disco with glittery pixel icons. Google now lets users disco ballify their entire Pixel home screen with animated, glittering icons. It's a playful, low-stakes AI feature that shows how AI is being used for pure fun, not just productivity. This week's biggest takeaway: AI is blurring the lines between utility, ethics, and entertainment faster than regulators can react. AI tools of the week. Amazon Bee, productivity, always-on wearable AI assistant that listens and responds contextually. Intriguing, but privacy invasive. $199, subscription optional. Cursor, coding, AI-powered code editor that understands your entire code base. Now with multi-file refactoring. Freemium $20 Pro. Midjourney 7 images. Latest version with photorealistic output and real-time style transfer. 1060 Mo. Descript video audio. AI video editor with text-based editing and AI voice cloning. New AI-generated B-roll feature. Freemium, $24. Perplexity Pro Research, AI research assistant that cites sources in real time. Now with Deep Web Search, $20. Runway Gen 3 Video, text-to-video generation with cinematic quality. New Scene Consistent Character feature, $15 Mo. Otter.ai, productivity, AI meeting note-taker with live transcription and action items. Now integrates with Bee. Freemium, $16.99 Mo. This week's standout, Amazon Bee, because it's the most talked about launch, even if it's controversial. Cloud AI, all vendors this week. Azure OpenAI at Microsoft launched GPT-5 Turbo for enterprise customers with 2mem token context window and real-time voice. Also announced integration with Ferrari F1 telemetry. AWS Bedrock SageMaker Amazon released new Bedrock agent for supply chain optimization. SageMaker now supports real-time inference for Bee wearable. Vertex AI Gemini Google Cloud announced Gemini Ultra 2.0 with native disco ball icon generation. Yes, really. Also improved agentic workflows. Oracle Cloud AI launched OCI AI for manufacturing with predictive maintenance for F1 engines. No major public updates. IBM watsonx partnered with Ferrari to create AI-powered F1 superfan experiences using watsonx.data and watsonx.ai. Mistral Cohere Other. Mistral released Mistral Large 2.5 with 256K context window. Cohere added multilingual RAG support. Biggest vendor this week, IBM watsonx, thanks to the Ferrari deal that blends AI and F1 fandom. Global AI Spotlight. China's DeepSeek released a new open-source model that rivals GPT-4 on math benchmarks, putting pressure on U.S. labs. The EU AI Act is now in enforcement phase, with first compliance audits starting this week, targeting high-risk AI systems. Meanwhile, India announced a $2 billion AI compute infrastructure fund to support local startups, and the UK launched a pilot for AI-powered public service chatbots. The Middle East saw Saudi Arabia commit $5 to AI research in partnership with SoftBank. Trend of the week. The biggest trend this week is AI's expansion into physical and emotional presence, from always listening wearables to resurrecting dead voices to creating F1 superfans. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a companion, a ghost, and a hype machine. This shift brings huge opportunities for personalization and engagement, but also deep ethical and privacy challenges. For developers, the race is on to build context-aware, always-on systems. For investors, companies that balance utility with trust will win. AI stocks winners and losers. ARM 46.1%, ARM Holding Q plus 22.8%, IonQ Quantum AMD 8.8%, Advanced Micro Devices INTC 5.6%, Intel PLTR 3.3%, Palantir CBRS 11.9%, Cerebras NVDA 6.3%, NVIDIA Google minus 3.2%, Alphabet Best, ARM 46.1 worst, Cerebras 11.9%. ARM's explosion is tied to its new AI chip architecture licensing deals with multiple hyperscalers, signaling a shift away from x86. Cerebras fell after reporting slower than expected enterprise adoption of its wafer-scale chips. Watch AMD next week. Its new MI400 GPU launch could challenge NVIDIA's dominance. Conclusion and key takeaways. From resurrecting dead pilots' voices to wearing an always-listening bee, AI this week reminded us that the technology is moving faster than our ethical frameworks. The biggest story is that AI is becoming ambient, present in every moment, even after death. Don't forget, subscribe for your weekly AI briefing every Saturday at 7 a.m. Next week, watch for the fallout from the AI voice resurrection controversy. What was your biggest AI story this week? Drop it in the comments.